We are about to start another day of chicken processing, which is fantastic. But that's not what this video is for. So what I'm highlighting today is this thing above me. So this is a Pamapic Gazebo. Now this gazebo specifically, they have a 10 by 10. This one is a 14 by 10. So from this pole all the way over there, you have 14 feet and then you have 10 feet wide. So you can see I have a pretty big setup. Now I have it built out there for now just because that's where it was before when we were doing some classes. Here's some pictures of the actual classes that we held underneath here. And it's pretty cool because this, you have steel. So when you assemble it, you do have to assemble it. So it's going to have all your little markings on it. It goes together on one side. I don't know where it is. But on the top, you have a gutter system. And it actually has downspouts. So when it rains, which I'll show you this clip right here. I just add a little impromptu video because it's raining. And as you can see, everything underneath the Pamapic Gazebo is perfectly dry. And I got to replace the piece right there, but you can see that it actually comes down to the point here. So it's not just all falling over the same edge. So I like it. All right, so when it rains, it comes down the downspout. So off the roof, down the downspout, and then hits right there. So it just comes out. You can attach a tube or a hose, something like that. I'll tell you what, this really is great. I was hesitant just because I hadn't originally heard of the company before. But they did a great job. I actually had an incident when I was building this. A limb fell from one of my really tall trees and hit the bar right here before we had the whole thing set up, so it wasn't structurally sound. And what that ended up doing is that ended up cracking it. So I called Pamapic, and Pamapic sent me out a replacement box. Oddly enough, I know this may not sound like a good thing, but oddly enough, the replacement part was not in that box. It was different pieces. And so when I contacted them a second time, they apologized for sending me the wrong box and sent me another one. So now I have a whole bunch of extra parts and pieces that I can use. But this right here, it's a polyurethane. It's supposed to hold up really, I'm sorry, my camera's going all over. It's supposed to hold up really, really well to things like snow as well. We don't get a whole lot of snow here in southern Louisiana, so that's not something that I'm gonna have to worry about. My big thing is the rain. And out here, I was working in the rain and I didn't get wet. Now down here, you do typically want to fasten this to something. So they do give you anchor, like concrete anchors, so you can put it against the house. If you're putting it against the house, you put the tall end against the house and the short end going outside. With me, I'm just kind of open air right now, but then they also have holes as well as concrete anchors in the ground. So eventually we're going to be putting a pad out here. We're actually going to move this shed over to this side. Then we're going to take this Pamapic Gazebo and we're going to flip it around and put it against that shed so we have a continuation. But it's really, I mean, it's really cool. I'm actually, I do love it. So again, this is the 10 by 14. I know they have a 10 by 10, they have a 10 by 12, a 10 by 14. I think they have either a 10 by 16 or a 10 by 20. I will recommend that when you build this, you do have help. There's certain parts that you don't need help with, like assembling each of these parts. Like you'll assemble the pillars first, and then you assemble the crossbars. But when it comes to installing it, it's very, very difficult to pick up all of this stuff on your own. It's very difficult to hang these pieces when you have a piece right there and a piece right here. Oh, and this right here too. So I'm wearing boots right now. So wearing boots, I'm like 6 foot, 6'1", and I have clearance. This is on the short end. So the short end roof clearance is about 6'6", I would guess. And then this is on the tall end. So reaching my arm up, I have to step on my tippy toes to touch that roof. So definitely check it out. I'm gonna leave the links in the description. If there's any coupon codes, I don't know when you're gonna be watching this video, but if there's any coupon codes, I'll leave them in the description. you know, or just check our other social media pages. We'll make sure that we post them out there. But definitely check out the link down below, because if you're looking for something to really help you out, I mean, it's great with the shade. So I'm gonna put up a couple more pics of the class that we just had so you can see how many people. We had like 6 people underneath this thing and still had room. So like I said, this will be eventually, this will be my processing area. You're gonna see a bunch of videos with this in it because it's cool. So that's all I got. This is the Pamapic. Check it out. Description down below. They got a bunch of other stuff too, not just gazebos. So check out all their other things as well. So enjoy homesteading.